Brings back memories.
What?
Well, because I used to have an old 911 SC. It was, I had a 78 911 SC, first year of the SC. I ended up selling it back to a gentleman in Germany. I imported the car from Japan, drove it for several years, and ended up selling it. So pretty much the same as what mine was. I had the whale tail on mine as well, except for mine was gloss black.
It's been sitting for a while, this one. It has that very familiar aroma of stale car.
Vintage Porsche smell.
It's like a little bit of wet dog and mold. Cool.
Oh yeah, smell it.
Right? I was hoping it was going to be some...
A little bit roachy?
Yeah, that makes sense. But this car is... I'd roll this car right now.
What are you doing? We're just going to vacuum it out, put air freshener in.
I like this kind of thing.
It's easy to change as well because it is no motor.
Is that leather?
Leather rear covers. You got the logo on them.
Really?
Yeah, this one does.
Oh shit, they are factory Porsche.
That's very interesting.
They're very expensive. Let's do those.
That would look really good on my Porsche. I'll trade them for my brand new gold one.
Are you gonna borrow it?
Forever.
Is that one flattened in though?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're doing an RSR conversion.
And so what does that involve?
Well, we're doing a nicer version of an RSR instead of just your standard sort of rough and ready race car style. We're gonna make it nice.
Okay.
A luxury racer.
Luxury race car.
The LRSR.
And when I initially saw this, I thought it was like a safari build because of the...
They're doing one right now. Like my friend that we do a lot of this stuff for, they've already started a safari build.
Oh, that's sick.
Which is pretty cool. I would have liked to do it, but this one's getting like the factory Porsche steel RSR fenders. We got the front and rear bumper. It's getting a cage, interior delete, like the super basic door cards.
Okay.
Except for instead of leaving it like a normal RSR, you just pull the interior and the way it was, that's how it was.
Yeah.
Whereas he wants it all painted, detailed out.
Okay.
So it'll be a pretty cool car. They're pretty easy, these things. They're pretty straightforward. They're just like, I think, what did they call them? Spicy Volkswagens?
Volkswagen on steroids.
So it should be fun. This one's like, has all the, it's got the Unglebox alarm and the Blaupunkt speakers.
1988.
Has the leather on the...
Yeah, this thing's like straight out of the night.
On the mirror.
This is like the dream car. This was the dream at one time. That's all I wanted to work on.
Yeah.
And now I have too many of them to do.